Hello friends, this is a Jigsawcard Solitaire puzzle game. Chapter 2, level 45 hard. Hard means hard. Let's solve it. Okay, it is 6 times 6. Much harder it is. But I hope I will succeed to solve it.
Nice.
Nice, it is much complicated, isn't it?
Perfect.
And even scary.
Excellent.
What are these pictures? They look pretty scary.
Excellent. 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 Excellent.
Nice to hear it, right? Didn't match. Sad it is. Alright, this one should come down.
Nice.
What? Not match? Oh my goodness, this is mixed up. So in this situation it is good to move this here and oh wow. And this should be by the center, right? Somewhere here, I do not know, might be by the center.
Nice.
Okay, so why am I feeling like come on, I thought that will match there. I felt like I'm not that difficult. Right. Not matching, right? Oh my goodness. Let's move this here. And focus on these tiny ones.
Nice.
What can be there? This one? Uh-oh. Okay, here is the chair. Long time? Not that much.
Nice. Perfect. Excellent.
So well matched looking but not matching, right? These two. Amazing, yeah. What? Which one will match here? Right. Okay, this is from here.
Good.
And this one should be here. You guys may find, but I find it difficult
Nice.
to find. Right.